And if Bangladesh just go on to score here, everything will change in the second half. From the pep talk by the coaches in the dressing room for the halftime, Bangladesh can silence the crowd. They have done it before. They can do it now. Will it be Mirajul Islam? 3 players lining up for the free kick. Mirajul! Oh, what a goal! Mirajul Islam striking the ball on the right side of the post. Bangladesh lead on the stroke of the halftime. The home team is taken back by surprise. The arena is silenced and the Bangladeshi rejoice. What a free kick by Mirajul Islam.
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper could do nothing. It was the brilliant free kick from the number 10. He created it for himself. He was the one who won the free kick. And look at the joy, the sheer joy of the Bangladeshi players from the bench. This is what Bangladesh is capable of. They're capable of brilliant things here. And they had one brilliant. Asadul with the cross here, could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again. And this time, Nepal might be done and dusted. This is another blow from Bangladesh. And they have been quite brave. And they have been quite effective. The Bengal Tigers taking another goal for themselves.
Well, it's once again Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way, but Mirajul Islam made sure the ball went into the net. He was onside. And Bangladesh now on a 2-goal cushion in the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. He gets his second of the game, and he is now the leading scorer in this competition. Intermediate makes his way out. Can Rohan change the face of the game? Can the substitutes for Nepal do the trick for coach Urjan Shrestha?
And now Mirajul coming forward from the left-hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat-trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Robbie. Robbie Hussain! Electrifying move there by the Bangladeshi players. And they're the one to get the third goal here. Mirajul Islam, this time the provider. And Robbie Hussain Rahul scores the third goal for Bangladesh. They have been caught in the break, Nepal. And now Bangladesh one step closer to the trophy.
Well, the lone photographer for Bangladesh stands at the other end to take the golden moments. And this might be the last nail in the coffin in this match. Look at that footwork. Was on a hat-trick, but he let his teammate do it. Mohammad Robbie Hussain Rahul making no mistake to tap the ball in. No answer for Jared's sake. Just look at how cleanly he took that shot. And he knew from the moment the ball left his foot, it was going in for a goal. Bangladesh now lead.
The cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here. Nepal! And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Tabang. Can it be coming for Nepal? That is the question. The mighty Gorkhalis fight back once again. They show their bravery. And it's 10 minutes between them and the equalizer. It's 10 minutes for Nepal to save their campaign here. A yellow card there. There is some confusions.
Replay, and that was a free header. This time around, he did not miss it. A clear eye on the goal, and he was free as well. He took all he can, and the supporters are now jumping, enjoying. Can Nepal come back from it? Can he?
Rabi, oh my God, this guy. Robbie Hussain with the cross, and this time, it's a clearance. Still Nepal going forward. Still Nepal.
It has been given as a goal, Abhinav. It has been given as a goal by the referee. Assistant referee has seen the ball crossing the line. And it's Bangladesh who put the 4th goal in. And now, possibly, just possibly, that's the final nail in the coffin. The pass came from Mohammad Robbie Hussain Rahul. And his teammate made no mistake to finish it. They just scored a 4th goal, but they might have killed the hopes of Nepal.
Okay, let's see in the replay then. The ball was certainly... I do not think so, Avash. I certainly do not think so. It went inside.
You never know, Abhinav. It's all about angles. The way the camera...